From a really high-flying career of being an air hostess with Indian Airlines, I got married and I literally got grounded. I realized that I had no money on my own. For each and everything, I had to keep asking the joint family members for money. That is the time I decided that I should make some fund for myself. And the sunshine industry of Tata Insurance had just started. I know that I did not have any policy or any such thing. And I made inquiries, and then I came to know about how things work, how to save for oneself. And that is how the existence of Tata Insurance came in my life. So when I came to realize that my situation is that I have no savings at all, totally, and I have to build up from ground zero upwards, I started studying the brochures of this company called Tata Insurance, and I decided to buy insurance products. I did buy a 20-year term, but 20-year term, that was the period of time for which I had to pay the premiums. And then the results would follow. Then I thought, okay, I might need something little beyond that. So I bought another plan. After some more time, I bought a 30-year-old plan because I thought at that time also I will definitely be needing money. And then finally when they came out with a very great product where you have to pay for a very less number of years, but you can get benefit savings, actually money till you are 100 years old. Now I have already enjoyed the benefits of claiming I've got the maturity, I should say, the money, which is totally tax-free. That is of 20-year plan I have got. Don't ask me where the money has gone. I've used it well. Then I've also got the money of the 30-year-old plan. वही भी अच्छे हालत में ही रखा है. And now I'm getting the annual dividend of the product insurance policy called Mahalife. Plus the policy payout itself comes year on year to me. And this will continue so till I hit a century, hopefully. Due to some tragic event, the business in my family fell flat, and it was absolutely necessity for me to be the breadwinner of the family. With two children whose education was totally, the onus was on me, I decided that I'll keep that as my goal. And first, the Money Saver plan which I bought, that is the name of an insurance product, was giving me continuous money every 5 years. So my children's tuition and all these other chota-mota expenses, I would be able to meet those expenses without extending my hand to anybody else. And then the 20-year-old plan which I had taken, I said when I need some little bigger things to be buying towards education or towards what they need, as my children are growing up, they keep needing more and more things, I would be able to meet their plans and not tell them, nahi ye mere se nahi hoga. That kind of answer I didn't want to give. And likewise the 30-year-old plan also, a little more staggered plan of paying the premiums towards the insurance policies. But at that end of that term, again I realized that at any time money comes to you, money is always most needed. And this is the beauty when you put in a staggering plans of various, time limit, then you keep getting the money as and when you want it, which is again tax-free. Coming to the current generation of children, I have two in the age group of 40. They are all very, very fickle-minded, well-educated, but they will kick their job at a smallest argument. Now, how do you overcome all these things? I think to make life a little more stable for your own self, they should invest into some fund where they can always fall back on that money, which will tide them over the career break, or they want to go in for a year sabbatical, they want to go abroad and do something, or improve their own life skills by learning some other thing, or just go away on a vacation. For all these things, they can safely do whatever risks and challenges they want to do, they can go ahead, provided you put your money somewhere and make a very firm foundation like a big kitty bag which you have to prepare. with money for your own self. You can dig into it and take out as and when you need it. You do not have to be dependent on anything or anybody. The fact is that the real life expectancy has gone up far more. We live a longer number of years. Similarly, the expectations from this life and lifestyle are also growing up, and we are becoming more greedy to gain and achieve more things. Maybe I want to leave a legacy for my children. So how do I build all these things? The only answer I find is just invest into a small policy, whatever is the amount. No amount is small again. Just invest and you will see the yield talking in front of you.